Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the cookie and advertising preferences in the Amazon Prime Video application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it. Once you have done that, you should look once again at the top of your right corner and you will find there the settings. Press on it, and here if you scroll down a little bit, you can see kind of in the middle of your screen the cookie and advertising preferences. Just press on it, wait a little bit until everything loads in, and you can see here that you can change the advertising cookies, the personal information from Amazon services, and the personal information from third parties. Now you can change each one of these manually. You can just press on off or on, and after that press save selected, or you can just accept all or decline all. So yeah, this is pretty much all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.